Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on using custom captions on Instagram posts. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by making your post like normal on the Instagram app. When you get to the point of adding your caption, open up a web browser and go to instafonts.io. Write the caption you want to use in the text box here. It will automatically generate your caption in a whole variety of different fonts. When you find a font you want to use, tap the clipboard icon next to it, and it will copy to your clipboard. Now just go back to the Instagram post and paste your caption. Your post will now be published using the custom font. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Instagram tips and tricks.